Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of The Big Chef Season 2. I am Michelle Ejekum and we are proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, always on point, just like mom. Frital sunflower oil, enjoy the goodness in tasty meals. Indomie, you like no other. Top Choco, it's chocolati. Flora tissues, they say quality tissues for everyone. Low price masters, it's durable and affordable. City Black Tonic, Ayedro Papa. Peg biscuits, they say pack up your day. Karen mouthwash, small bites, big treats, and Sankofa natural spices, DDA. Now last week our judges said that they were not so impressed by the performance of our chefs. Now every day gives us the opportunity for a fresh start. It's a new week and I believe that our chefs are super poised to impress our judges today. Remember that we are streaming live across all social media platforms on your digital terrestrial television at Joy Prime TV, on DSTV channel 281, Go TV channel 180, and on HD Plus channel 102. We'll take a break and take some messages from our sponsors. When we come back, we'll meet our contestants and our judges and set the ball rolling. You're welcome back. This is still Ghana's biggest cooking TV reality show for kids. It's The Big Chef Season 2 and we are proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, Frital sunflower oil, Indomie, Top Choco, Low Price Masters, Flora tissues, Sankofa natural spices, Peg biscuits, City Black Tonic, and Karen mouthwash. Now last week we saw two of our contestants say goodbye to the competition. It was super sad. I mean, the emotions, and you see the tears, the sadness. But of course, this is a new start, it's a new episode. Now today we're going to have another guest judge. I'm sure you're wondering who that is. I'm not going to tell you now. You find out for yourself, so you stay with us. But of course, the first team to begin today's competition is Team Prime.
Team Prime! Together we are defined! I said Team Prime! Together we are defined!
Team Prime!
Together we are defined!
Are you sad? Are you sad that one of you isn't here? Because it looks like your vim is all down. Team Prime!
Together we are defined!
Team Prime!
Together we are defined!
Are you ready for today's task?
Yes!
Okay, if they are ready, then let's welcome our chefs. Our first chef is Chef Kofi Ajakum.
Go fight! 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 Go fight!
Our next judge is Chef Rafiatu.
Go chefess! 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 Go chefess!
You're welcome, chefs.
Thank you. Thank you.
So before we start today's task, what can you make of last week's performance? Let me start with you, Chef Rafiatu.
Okay, last week was mixed emotions because I had to evict. But I mean, they didn't impress me at all, and it had to be done.
Okay.
From last week, I hope they've learned some lessons. Someone is going home today. If not one person, two.
Maybe two.
So please step up your games.
Okay, thank you, Chef Rafiatu. Now, Chef Kofi.
Well, I'm seeing growth when it comes to the skill and the techniques aspect also. So I expect them to, like he said, step up the game, move to the next stage by speeding up your work. I mean, see some kind of skill in presentations and the taste. I think they've really done well when it comes to tasting.
Okay.
They've grown from the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and then stage 4. I expect wow.
They should be on stage 10 by now.
Did you do what?
They should be on stage 10.
You know, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we expect a lot from you guys today as well. Okay? Other than that, all of you go home today. Thank you.
You heard that right. Now, Chef Kofi says if you don't do well, all of you might even go home, not even one. Are you ready for today's task?
Yes!
Are you sure you're ready?
Yes!
Team Prime!
Together we are defined!
Team Prime!
Together we are defined!
Okay, judges, I leave them to you. You tell us the task of the day.
So today you are to prepare a sandwich. Any form of sandwich, as long as it tastes good. So it could be a wrap, it could be a burger, it could be a panini, whatever sandwich you make, just make it look nice and taste good. You have 5 minutes to pick up. You have 20 minutes to start and finish.
Excellent.
Including plating.
Yeah. No.
Free say busia ofie. Yaira, who is it?
Kwaku Darlington.
And of course, our guest judge is Kwaku Darlington. So this is our guest judge. You guessed right, Yaira. Kwaku Darlington is here. I hope you are able to wow him today. Before you sit down, what are you expecting from these contestants?
Fighter is in the building too, so you can testify that they can give us a good result as well. So
Okay.
yeah,
Thank you so much. So you heard him. Please wow him. You can have your seat now.
thank you.
And so our judges will time you up for your task today.
So your 20 minutes starts now.
What are you calling this today?
Thank you. It's a surprise.
Hey,
It's a surprise.
her names always come as surprises. So what are you making us?
I'm making sandwich roll.
Sandwich roll. So you have limited time. You sure you can fit that before time? Okay. All the best.
Chef Adjoa, how are you doing?
Thank you.
Nice.
What are you making us?
Today I'm making a sweet pineapple beef burger with chocolate milkshake.
Never heard of it.
You're going to love it, you know.
Let's see.
We are waiting to see the outcome.
Yes, yes.
Oh, it's a
Hello.
whole different thing. I see.
Yes. Chef Peace, what are you making us?
Sandwich.
What type of sandwich is this?
The club sandwich.
Club sandwich. It's no special name? Not yet.
Before I go, I'll think of the name.
Where do you people
Okay.
learn these things from? I mean, how to prepare all these things?
We want you to use
Oh, okay.
cooking videos.
Big shout out to YouTube.
And oh, Chef Yaira, the dancing chef.
Hello.
Hello.
Is that pork?
No, it's chicken breast.
Jesus Christ.
What are you making us?
I'm making chickwich.
What?
Check which.
Yes, please.
Okay, but why that name?
Because it has chicken in it, and it also has. And
So
it's also
chicken
a
sandwich, right?
Yes, please.
Check which.
Yes.
Okay, you have limited time, so you have to be fast.
Oh, I like how you
All the best.
arrange everything. I like it. I like the arrangement.
Thank you.
You came here to taste their meal,
Yeah.
so they are going to give you something. What are you also going to give them? Maybe you can do a line or two of your music.
Yeah. That should be after tasting the food.
Now, I wish you were here to smell the aroma. So heavily. I hope that the taste is also on point. Be reminded that this season we're proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, Phyto Sunflower Oil, Indomie, Top Choco, Flora Tissues, Low Price Masters, Peg Biscuits, City Black Tonic, Sankofa Natural Spices, and Karen Mouthwash. Now, our chefs are ready with their meals, and our judges are also set to give their comments. So, the first to make a presentation is Chef Adjoa.
So today I prepared for you sweet pineapple beef burger with barbecue sauce and vanilla milkshake.
Wow. Over to you.
Over to you, boys.
What it looks impressive.
Thank
Okay. I don't know whether she spotted your stuff before asking you to bring it first. Because this looks spotless.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I like the presentation. I'm
Yeah,
happy.
Same here.
It would have been nicer if you had a choco milkshake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe another time. Remember. Good.
Nice.
Charlie?
They
Yes,
gave
indeed.
Do you season the pineapple?
No, please. The original flavor.
So who taught you this?
Oh, it's my own recipe.
Your own recipe.
Yes, please.
This one deserves a song.
I'll play you baby. Eh? I mean, I like the idea with the pineapple.
It's good. The taste is on point. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Kudos.
I'll have your drink.
You can do it.
Yeah.
That was Chef Adjoa. Now, next is Chef Peace.
Whoa, peace. What do you have for us here?
I have mini egg bread burger with 1 club sandwich.
So the bread is egg.
No, there's bread I kept.
So it's burger. Mini egg burger, right? Good.
There's something around that. I don't know.
That's flour and spices used to garnish it.
That's the flour.
Yes,
Spicy flour
it's used to garnish it.
to garnish. The plate.
Yes.
That's fine.
Chef Peace.
Yes.
It looks like you've done the same thing twice. If you decided to do this egg, you could have added some chicken or something to
Of the
just
same
so
recipe.
just so you have different taste. But it looks like it's the same thing done twice. You understand? And I don't like your plating. I don't like the idea of the flour as well. Something like this without the flour would be okay. Because I don't. Chef Kofi, are you okay eating flour?
No, never use flour.
Yeah.
We don't use flour for garnish.
It's not
even at all.
advisable.
Even not on the plate. Flour, no. Icing sugar. I mean, we have our sponsored at is it Choco? Top Choco. Okay, could have used that one, which is simple. Okay, right. The flour is never advisable. But we dust, we don't powder. So when we are garnishing, we dust, we don't powder.
So you could have just put in a paper on the side and then dusted it, and then it will give a nice like line or something, just to show you are being creative.
So you see, he's taking your dish to a different level, and looks so simple, looks so, unique as well. Okay, yours was just like all over the plate.
I was thinking make everything like one.
Exactly.
Just like that.
It's nice. It's
tasty. It's tasty.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's tasty.
It's good. I mean, when I was going around looking at the combination, I could feel that the taste could go well. So
Yes,
I'm not
the taste
surprised.
is
The only
I'm not
problem
surprised.
was with the arrangement.
Exactly. The taste is nice.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well, next is Chef Yaira.
Yeah, you are.
And
Tell me what you have.
check which.
So
Which?
chicken sandwich.
Yes, please.
Check which. Chef Kofi, over to you.
Check quick. I think you guys are
But
applying.
it's just the portion is too small.
Yeah, it's too small. That's it. That's it. You guys are applying the techniques we went through, which is good.
That's nice.
Yeah. And the bread is crunchy.
Yeah, they did well.
You see the difference?
Yes.
Probably next time when you are doing, maybe you should put more of the mayo
Oh, this is
just
nice.
to bind, because the taste is good.
It's
So the
nice.
binding was what you were lacking. So next time, just apply a little sauce just to bind it, to hold it. Okay.
The chicken is well seasoned.
well seasoned.
It
Yeah.
tastes nice.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Yeah, that's it.
Tastes great.
It's great.
Tastes like my song, right?
You get it.
It's just nice with the sauce as well. Thank you.
And when you were coming, she was the one who noticed you fast.
Mm.
Yeah, she's the one.
Oh, nice.
She's
I
the
mean,
MP for the team.
Plus five.
plus one for that.
Plus five.
Plus five for that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kwaku Darlington.
Hello.
Are you enjoying
I'm
yourself?
enjoying myself. I mean,
You're enjoying
this food
all
I've
the
tasted,
meals that has
very
been
delicious.
presented.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't wait to take my package home. Yeah.
Right. Next is Chef Fudela.
So what do you call this one?
Chicken sandwich roll with barbecue sauce.
So they didn't surprise us. Well, it looks like creative.
Yeah, that's the angle I'm looking at it for.
But me, I don't like your presentations. It's not just you. Like you need to work on your presentations.
Yeah, I
more.
was expecting something like
Yes.
like a crisscross.
Because you have the ketchup around it, so
Yes.
maybe like this.
Crisscross. Perfect.
Chefs now we like elevation, so like
Yeah,
we don't
we
do
elevate
flat.
it, okay.
Yeah, upgraded. So
Yeah, you know.
you can't just slap the food on the plate just like that. You have to make it look presentable and like it should look one.
You know, she confused me with fish. When you fry
It
fish,
looks like
it looks like
fried
that.
fish,
So,
yeah.
Charlie, I like the creative idea of frying your sandwich. I mean, taking sandwich to a different level, which is good. I like the taste.
I like it.
Very, very creative. Good.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, good job. Very creative. Good job.
Well done, Fudela. Next is Chef Kristen.
What do you have?
I have burger, pineapple burger with some cheese and mincemeat.
Christine.
Please wait, I have a song for it.
You have a what?
Song for it.
Okay, please.
You have a song for the food.
It goes, my burger is juicy. Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
I mean, burger is.
So that's the food song.
Yeah, that's it. Go back.
Next is Chef Amma.
Amma, what's up?
I have a double-decker savory sandwich.
Any bacon in the
please.
sandwich?
Yes.
Sister, you're out.
It's fine. I know she doesn't want me to taste, so it's
Yeah,
fine.
do the tasting.
It would have been a nice double decker.
Okay.
This is a double decker. If I see something like this, I'll be like curious to taste
exactly.
it.
Yeah.
But the way it was just there, you won't even feel attracted to it.
I'm on set, so I don't want to spoil myself.
I don't envy you guys at all.
Hey, Rafi, Charlie, see the go.
That's nice though. You have any extra one? Oh,
Packaging home.
packaging.
Amma, the taste is on point.
Thank you.
Cheers.
The bread is crunchy.
Thank you.
The sauce you put on there, at least if I want it saucy, I just apply the sauce. And the sauce, I don't know how the combination, Charlie, it tastes good and you know.
Imagine
I think
having
you
this as
guys
a
did
breakfast
well
with
today.
Yeah, today I think.
Yeah, it's just the plating that was not on point,
Yeah.
but taste-wise, you guys.
The elevation stuff is not on point. But I think taste-wise, guys are on point. Love the taste. Good. Well done. Keep it up. Next episode, Charlie, wow us, okay?
Well done, Chef Amma. Now, we cannot end the show without seeing what the Team Joy has to offer. Please be reminded that this season we're proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, Frito Sunflower Oil, Indomie, Top Choco, Low Price Masters, Flora Tissues, City Black Tonic, Karen Mouthwash, Sankofa Natural Spices, and Peck Biscuits. Now, we'll take a break now. When we come back, we meet Team Joy. You're welcome back. This is still Ghana's #1 kids kitchen, and this is the Big Chef Season 2. We are proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, Frito Sunflower Oil, Indomie, Top Choco, Flora Tissues, Low Price Masters, City Black Tonic, Sankofa Natural Spices, Peck Biscuits, and Karen Mouthwash. Now, we have seen Team Prime do their thing. It's now time for Team Joy to take over. Judges.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So today your task is to prepare a sandwich: burger, wrap, toast, sauteed, boiled, steamed, whatever. You're to prepare a sandwich. It could be a vegetarian sandwich, whichever way you want to go, please do. You are not limited to any ingredient. You have 25 minutes. 5 minutes to go to the store, 20 minutes to finish your meal, plus cleaning up. 25 minutes. 5 minutes to go to the store, 20 minutes to finish everything.
All right, your time's
Your 20 minutes starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start work.
How are you?
Hands up.
This is still Big Chef Season 2. Now Team Joy is done and ready to make their presentations. So the first to meet the judges is Chef Aram.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today I have spicy chicken club sandwich with this one, the red pepper, which I've dusted on the plate. And because of the red pepper, that's why I call it spicy.
Okay. I like your plating.
Thank you.
I like it. It's simple and nice.
Yeah.
You see the elevation I was talking about?
Yeah, with the powdered pepper.
Yes, and then at least she has a concept.
Yeah.
So I see a
Have
spoon
some
and
designs in it,
exactly.
yeah.
So good job.
Thank you, Auntie.
There's bacon.
No, please.
Okay.
It's well seasoned. I mean, it tastes good.
Thank you.
I mean, sandwich like this, if you don't take it, I'll just finish like two portions of that. So I think it's a good job. Well done.
But next time, reduce your dusting of the powdered pepper.
That's apart from that, Charlie. Good job. You kill it.
Thank you.
Well done, Chef Aram. Next is Chef Alice.
Oh. Break fast.
Alice, the floor is for you. Talk to us.
I have some beef sandwich and then blended banana juice. And I have cheese, tomato. The beef, I just season it with Sankofa natural spices gold,
Oh, my favorite.
which was from the sponsors. The sandwich, it's called beef sandwich and banana juice.
Alice.
Right,
All right, let's judge you by the taste.
It It looks like there are lots on the plate.
Thank you.
Please. I think apart from that, I also see like it's an open burger sandwich.
Chef, it's not open.
It's open.
It's not open. If it's open, there shouldn't be a bun on top.
Oh, like maybe she decided to go that way.
The whole plate, honestly, it looks messy. The whole plate looks messy.
Wow. So
Alice, was it an open sandwich?
Yes, please.
So why did you cover it?
I covered it so that when the beef is there, it won't get like cold.
So it's not open, was it?
It was not open.
Okay, thank you. Chef Kofi, please taste it.
How's it taste?
Please taste it.
Alex, don't kill me.
Not really feeling the meat.
Alice, I tried all possible means to wrap up for you, but what happened to the meat? The seasoning. What happened? The cooking too is. I mean, I can see the fresh meat as well. It's too raw. The seasoning is too raw. It's too raw.
When you make a sandwich, you should be able to pick it up and hold everything together, even when you're biting. But even this, we haven't picked it up, so everything is falling out. You could have secured it with a toothpick. Thank you.
Better luck next time, Alice. Next is Chef Laura.
Laura.
This is tempting.
Today I present to you the club sandwich, which I call L'Oreal's Chocolati Burger. So the reason why I use the chocolate is because the chocolate has vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, and B9.
And because chocolate is my favorite.
Did someone advise you on this?
I think I'm sure maybe this very episode you win a heart. I'm sure.
So,
and even the concept alone, like I mean, they want to infuse in the sponges
with the
chocolate products. I see cocoa dusting, cocoa powder. I see the paste. What's the name?
Top choco.
The top choco paste. You know.
And then some benefits you can get from the chocolate is that
full education.
So product knowledge.
It boosts your immune system.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then cocoa is a good rich. How do you say it? It is rich in nutrients. So.
Excellent. Good. Leave for her. Make she chop. No, honestly, she always fight me. Yeah. Bring me chocolate cake. Oh, so many you guys share the thing.
I bet wait for the next contestant.
This is chocolate.
Wallahi, this is good.
I taste the bread and the chocolate. Even though you guys didn't give me.
One advice there. I've never seen this on the market.
It's not there.
This is something you can use as a business. But I will sponsor you, make no worry.
But honestly, you guys are not. I mean, it's not fair. She's going back empty plate. How? Bye, my daughter.
Chef Laura.
This is on point. Empty plate away. Bye.
So Laura has made history. Next is Chef Prince.
This one is fully loaded.
Yeah, I like the splash garnish on the plate, and then as compared to the bread, also it looks colorful because I see balance of colors.
Fully loaded.
Exactly, that's
so
the word.
So you can have it as a meal.
So this one I can have it as a meal. Yes, sandwich is a
Chef, you didn't even give him an opportunity to explain his
No,
dish.
not at all, because I love it.
What do you call it?
It's appealing.
Please,
you get it.
At first I told you it was the four corners.
You've changed the name,
like
it's a four colors.
I had a little time, so it changed.
So what do you call this one right now?
It's the normal chicken sandwich.
It should be a royal prince sandwich.
Okay,
honestly, for me, I was expecting the four corner sandwich.
Yeah,
I was really expecting that.
Or even a splash. I mean, chicken
give
sandwich.
Give it a Spanish name or something. A risotto sandwich or something.
La Supadora.
Like you confuse people.
Or the fashion sandwich.
Or Saputo. It's a crude though. Okay, I like it. All right, let's do the tasting. You want to go back with the empty plate or you want to?
I want to go with.
But no, you
The empty
can't leave
plate
it
is a
there.
lie.
Okay.
We want to be the other person. It's a lie. Go back with your.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, it tastes nice. Friends, good job. Nice taste. And made with a nice sandwich, which is good.
Prince
I
has
love
really improved, and I'm
it. Yeah,
impressed.
honestly.
Chef Prince has wowed the judges. We move on to Chef Efia Owusu.
But it's nice too. The
It's
colors,
nice, yeah.
everything.
Only the veg she could have put in
The
it one
veg
side.
is
That's it.
raw.
Yeah,
It's
just
raw. Next time you're putting veg on your plate, season it. Maybe a sprinkle of salt or pepper on it. Would have been nice. Mm? The vegetables are raw.
Yeah.
You know, one of the things you guys have been doing, you hold your plate with your fingers in your plate. You hold it like this or like this.
Exactly.
Your finger should not be
Always
inside the
hold it by
plate.
your thumbs up, out. All the thumbs be out.
What do you have for us?
This is vegetarian sandwich.
Oh, okay, Madam Vegetarian.
Okay.
And I wanted to trick a strict vegetarian. So I added a dip of cheese to it.
You wanted to trick. Oh.
Wanted to see if real vegetarians don't like animal products. So I added a dip of cheese to it.
It's a risk, but I wouldn't advise that because a vegan would not touch it if they know there's cheese in it. Or if they eat and they realize there's cheese, the reaction would not be nice. So don't try to trick.
Okay.
You could use a plant-based cheese instead of the animal-based cheese.
Thank you. Then I'll make this for a partial vegetarian.
That's fine.
So next time you could find maybe a soya bean cheese or there's cashew nut cheese or something and then replace it with
Next time, just toss the carrots and onion.
or grill
Toss them
it
or grill it. Yes.
to give it more flavor.
Exactly. Your potato, I saw potato and then the mayonnaise, which was okay. It was boiled potato, which was okay. But just having probably the carrots, the tomatoes too, no problem with the tomatoes, but the carrots and then onion.
But some
Whenever you are
plans for
dealing
you.
with sandwich.
Some plans for you on how you arrange everything.
Exactly.
On the plate.
The plating was
Looks
simple
so
and
nice,
nice.
yeah.
yeah.
I just want to, Charlie, you like them? I better go.
You guys are fighting over my babies.
See, they are eating, so they can't mark you down. Forget it. Yeah, bravo. Okay? Bravo.
Well done, Chef Efia. Now the last woman standing, if that's right, is Chef Daniela.
So what do you call this burger?
I call it Danny's Nut Morning Fabia Special.
Okay.
With your name on it.
Is it for a vegetarian or because I don't see any
No protein.
meat in it?
This is not a vegetarian burger.
What is it?
And this is a burger.
It's a burger.
Burger, yes.
So ideally a burger would have a meat or some sort of. So what happened to that one?
It was supposed to be beef, but when I went to the freezer, there was no beef.
There was no other protein. You could have done a chicken burger. There's nothing unique about it. It's just bread and vegetables and ketchup. You didn't toast the bread, you didn't grill the vegetables or do anything. There's no seasoning or anything on the vegetables. There's no wow factor to the sandwich at all.
Next time, check your seasoning.
Just next time, keep it simple and you don't have to write your name on the plate. You could have just written Nella or something short.
It's a good effort. Good job, okay?
This is still Ghana's #1 Kids Kitchen, the Big Chef Season 2. Now, Team Joy is done with their task. We'll take a break here. When we come back, we'll meet the entire team. That's both teams, Team Joy and Team Prime. Who wins Chef of the Day and who will kiss us goodbye? Stay with us. You're welcome back. This is Big Chef Season 2, and we are proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, always on point, just like mommy. Fried toast, sunflower oil. Enjoy the goodness in tasty meals. Indomie, you like no other. Top Choco, it's Chocolati. Flora tissues, they say quality tissues for everyone. Low price masters, it's durable and affordable. City Black Tonic, Ayedro Papa, Sankofa Natural Spices, DDA, Karen Mouthwash, Small Bites, Big Treats, and Peck Biscuits. Pack up your day. We're packing up our day, we're stepping it up. Yes, we've said all of that. We are at the tail end of the show. Now I have both teams here. One will be crowned the chef of the day, and maybe two or more would have to kiss us goodbye. At this point, judges, I leave our contestants to you.
Well, I have to say today, dear, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. You all did very, very well. But as you know, there's always a winner. Today's best performer goes to Laura.
Can you carry this? It's too heavy for you. Let me help you. Where are you taking it to? Let me help you. Really, you. But before that, Team Prime. Team Joy.
Contestants of joy.
Yeah, I still now one for go home.
No, two.
Two, eh?
Yeah. If you hear your name, please join your teammates. To that next level. I'm seeing normal stuff. I'm seeing basic stuff. I want you to show me that yes, you are worth being in this competition. It's not a joke anymore. 2 people have to go home right now. Amma, you are safe.
All right, bye bye. Go bye.
Out of the 3, 2 has to go home.
Yeah, one will stay.
Yeah.
2 go home. So who is staying?
So who wants to stay?
Who wants to stay?
How?
We can't keep all of you. So Kwaku Darlington promised he's going to sing for me today. On that note, you're all going to stay. I'm not, trust me, the next episode, you are on a thin line. So you have to prove yourselves. Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh.
So that's it for today's episode on Big Chef Season 2. Remember that we are proudly sponsored by Fortune Rice, always on point, just like mommy. Fried toast, sunflower oil. Enjoy the goodness in tasty meals. Indomie, you like no other. Top Choco, it's Chocolati. Flora tissues, quality tissues for everyone. And City Black Tonic, Ayedro Papa. Low price masters, it's durable and affordable. Sankofa Natural Spices, DDA, Peck Biscuits, pack up your day. And Karen Mouthwash, Small Bites, Big Treats. My name is Michelle Adekum. I have been your host. We'll see you same time next week. But of course, our winner for the day will give you some tips, so you stay tuned for that. And if you love my outfit, this is by Adomes Method. Find her on Instagram at Adomes Method. My hair is by Hair Define. Find her on Instagram at hair_define_gh. And my makeup is by Glam by Gift. Also on Instagram at glam_by_gift. It's Big Chef Season 2. We'll see you same time next week.
I'm Big Chef Laura, and I was the best chef for this week. In every competition, if you want to wow the judges, just think outside the box.